Django 1.7 throws Django.core.exceptions.up registry note ready, models aren't loaded yet. This is the traceback on my Windows system. And my manage.py looks like this. I get this error when I am trying to use registration app in Django 1.7.
The issue is in your registration app. It seems Django registration calls get_user_module in models.py at a module level, when models are still being loaded by the application registration process. This will no longer work. I'd change this models file to only call get_user_module inside methods, and not at module level, and in FKS use something like By the way, the call to Django.setup shouldn't be required in your manage.py file. It's called for you in execute_from_command_line. Source.
Running these commands solved my problem, credit to this answer. However, I'm not sure why I need this. Comments would be appreciated.
This is what solved it for us and these folks. Our project started with Django 1.4, we went to 1.5 and then to 1.7. Our wsgi.py looked like this. When I updated to the 1.7 style whiskey handler, everything works now.
Just encountered the same issue. The problem is because of Django registration incompatible with Django 1.7 user model. A simple fix is to change these lines of code at your installed Django registration module. 2. Mine is at .venv/local/lib/python2.7/site-packages/registration/models.py, virtualenv.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.